Hello beauty! I have found my new favorite, skincare with Obeying Bakuchiol Cactus. It's all about balance, no irritation, just beautiful skin. It uses Bakuchiol, a gentle alternative to retinol. You get anti-aging and acne-fighting benefits with any irritation. And with 80% cactus extract, it hydrates deeply without clogging your pores. Perfect for sensitive skin like mine, even if you have acne or eczema. Fragrance, no harsh, no chemical, just pure effective ingredients that works. Are you ready to experience calm and clear skin? Try Bakuchiol today and see the difference. And let me know in the comments if you tried this product and what do you think about this. You can find this product on the official website obey.co.